Hey, it's Mike again, Product Manager for ExpressPCB. Today we'll be discussing how to quote and order. In our Classic 7.9 software, under the Layout menu, we have our Order Boards option. This will open up our ordering interface, and you'll be given a rough overview of the design that you have developed with your layer counts, board size, and then our solder mask and silkscreen features will toggle based upon the production service that you decide to order. So our standard service does not require solder mask, and you'll see that those values come back as false. However, if those are contained in your design, you do have the option to order the ProtoPlus or production type services that include mask as well. So be sure to check and make sure that you have the appropriate items selected that you would like for your finished product. And then in order to quote, you would simply need to supply the quantity of boards that you'd like and the appropriate build time, and then just fill out the shipping form as shown here with your email address, contact information, and then you'll have to select the shipping method. Once that's done, you'll notice that the Get Price button becomes active. A simple click will give you real-time pricing, and you don't require to have any billing information in order to quote your design. You simply need to have a board outline and the number of layers selected, and then you'll be able to quote your project before you even get too far into it. This process is virtually identical in our ExpressPCB Plus versus Classic 7.9. We have an Order Boards menu, which simply opens up our order form. And again, you'll see the exact same interface. You get the same layer counts, board heights, solder mask toggles, and such. And as you go from our standard service, those again will toggle between false and true. The one option that you'll see that is different here in ExpressPCB Plus is that we allow mini boards under 10 square inches in size. In Classic 7.9, this is limited to a board size of 3.8 by 2.5 inches, and that's a fixed requirement and a fixed quantity. Whereas in Plus, you get the option under ProtoPlus, you can order any numbers. Mini boards are a set product of 3, but again, under 10 square inches. So you get a little more flexibility in ExpressPCB Plus. Same requirements in terms of getting a quote is filling out the form as shown here and selecting your ship method. This will give you the Get Price button the same way it does in Classic 7.9. And then in order to complete the process, you would simply fill out your billing information with a valid credit card number, and then you would get the toggle down here that you have verified the order details, which would include your solder mask and silkscreen to ensure that that is correct, the number of layers is correct, and then we include your part number and revision as well on the chance that you do have various revisions as you've gone through development of your product. Simply would need to click on the Order Boards button at the end, and then you'll get an order confirmation that'll pop up with an order number, which you'll also receive in email. And that's how easy our ordering process is directly through our software and always made in the US. Thank you for taking a few minutes to join us today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like and subscribe for future content. You can also comment below if you have any questions you'd like to have us answer, or if you have a topic you'd like to have us cover in the future. Most of our content comes from you, our customers, through comments and requests. Thanks again.